SQL. Topic for today's session: difference between hash table and dictionary in C#. In this session we will learn what are the difference between hash table and dictionary in C#. Let's check with example. In this example we have covered the hash table. We defined HT having type hash table, and in this hash table adding some key and value. These are the item we added in hash table, and in next line just print this hash table. In for each we have written dictionary entity, there are object in hash table, and in console.write line key of 0 and value of 1, means in the place of 0 we replace the key, and in place of 1 we replace the value. Just execute this program and let's check the output. Okay, the program is executed successfully. We are getting some output. In the first key 6 and value T, means in hash table we have written sequence 1 2 3 4 5 6, but in the output sequence is not maintained, means hash table cannot maintain the sequence. This example of hash table. Now next let's check the example of dictionary. Just comment this. Okay, now next example is dictionary. This example of dictionary, we have defined one dictionary, my dictionary 1, and a dictionary we define the integer, the key is integer and value type is string. Now add the key value in dictionary. The first is key and second one is value. In dictionary we have defined one key having some value, and key 2 having some value, and key 3 having some value. Now in the next line just print key value, and with the help of for each loop we print this value, key value pair, integer and string, and there is object in my dictionary. Again in console.write line we have written 0 and 1. In the place of 0 we print the key, and in place of 1 we print the value. Let's check the output. Just run this program. Okay, program executed successfully, and this is the output. In 1 display the key value 1 having value, and key 2 having some value, and key 3 having some value. Means in case of dictionary it maintains the sequence, but in case of hash table cannot maintain the sequence. This is one difference. And second difference, in case of hash table we can add any type of data, but in case of dictionary we define the type of key and type of value. In this way we can add key value pair. This is integer key. If we try to add any string and getting the error. These are the difference between key value. These are difference between hash table and dictionary. Let's check difference one by one. First one is hash table and second one is dictionary. Hash table is included in the system.collection namespace. Dictionary is included in the system.collection.generic namespace. Second difference, a hash table is a non-generic collection. A dictionary is a generic collection. Third difference, it stores key value pair of any data type, and in case of dictionary it can store key value pair of specific data type. Already we check in the example. Now the next one, hash table return null if we try to find a key which does not exist. In case of dictionary throw an exception if we try to find a key which does not exist. In case of dictionary, it throw an error if the key is not found, but in case of hash table, it return a null value if key is not found. Next difference, data retrieval is slower than dictionary because of boxing and unboxing. If you are new in boxing and unboxing concept, you can watch this video in playlist, what is boxing and what is unboxing. Data retrieval is faster than the hash table because there is no boxing unboxing concept, because here we define the data type. Now the next difference, it is a thread safe, and in case of dictionary it is also thread safe, but only for the public static method. Next and last difference, in hash table there is no need to specify the type of the key value. In dictionary you must specify type of key and value. These are some basic difference between hash table and dictionary. If you have any query, write in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video.